With older cars, one of the most common problems is the clear coat fading or peeling. Typically with cars that are painted using coatings that aren't fit for the UV produced by the Aussie sun. Typically you need to do a full respray of the car, which can cost the consumer thousands, and for the panel shop takes a lot of man hours. Today we're going to show you the process of repairing the clear coat on this Honda Civic using U-pol aerosols.
We're here today to do a repair on this rear tailgate panel using our U-pol base coat in an aerosol and also the U-pol 2K clear coat in an aerosol.
First job of the day is for the team to remove the rear wing and start to prep the surface ready for painting.
So now we're just going to mask it all up, ready to sand.
To reduce any overspray, we're going to mask up the entire car and cut out a window for the area we're going to repair.
Alright, so now we're going to clean it. We're going to wax and grease remove it using two rags. One to wipe on and one to wipe off.
By using two rags, we can wipe off any dirt and contaminants with one and actually clean the surface with the other. Now that we've cleaned the surface, we're going to start by sanding the clear coat off. We started off with 500 grit sandpaper and worked our way up to 600. Now this will change depending on the nature of your repair.
So as we're sanding back, you can see here that we have a patch all the way around. This creates a contour, so if you can imagine a map, that is a build up on the side that we need to feather out. Otherwise, when we do put the base coat down over that, we're actually going to show a mark, which is called either mapping or contour mapping. Now we're going to spray it out on this spray out card, which has got black and white, so it shows the opacity to make sure that is correct.
These are the U-pol refillable custom cans and can be filled at your local U-pol distributor to colour match your car.
So using this, we're trying to gain coverage so we can check the colour to make sure the opacity is right.
They're filled with 100 ml of base coat and produce a spray gun-like finish, all in the convenience of an aerosol.
As a final colour check, we're going to spray this S2000 on this to check the colour.
As you can see, the paint matches up perfectly. However, it's good practice to do this because you don't want to fix up a panel and realise at the end the colour was mixed up wrong. To fill up some of those contour lines before we lay the base coat, we just gave the surface a quick prime using U-pol's High 5 Premium Aerosol.
So now that we've primed, we're going to apply our base coat in our U-pol custom can.
We applied about 3 coats of base coat at about 30 centimeters from the surface and let it tack off about 5 minutes in between coats. Now this will change depending on what colour you're using, but because red typically doesn't have very good coverage, we went for 3 coats. Next up, we're ready to clear the surface. And for this we're going to use U-pol's 2K Diamond Hard Clear Coat in an aerosol. Simply shake the can for 2 minutes, take the red cap off the top, attach it to the bottom and apply pressure to release the hardener inside. Then we're going to shake the can for another 2 minutes before we're ready to apply. U-pol's 2K Clear Coat aerosols are an advanced 2K clear coat that gives a durable diamond hard high gloss finish, all in the convenience of an aerosol. 2K Clear provides superior weather, UV, chemicals, scratch and abrasion resistance. It can be applied with both water and solvent based paint system and gives an attractive spray gun like finish that's easy to polish and won't discolour. Overall, we gave the surface 2 coats at 15 to 20 centimeters from the surface. We let it flash off for 10 to 15 minutes in between coats. If you're doing this at home and you don't have a spray booth, the surface should be dust free at about 12 minutes and touch dry at about 80. Once it's left overnight, it's ready to polish. If you're doing this in a spray booth, make sure you head to our website and check out the technical data sheets for the applicable curing times. Now the boys have put the rear wing back on the car, the surface looks brand new again. The difference between what we started with this morning with the peeling and faded clear coat compared to now is as clear as night and day. With the U-pol custom cans and 2K clear coat and an aerosol, you can have a professional grade finish, saving you time and money and a heck of a lot less time in the cleanup process. For more information or to check out the full range of U-pol products, head to upol.com.au and check out the safety and technical data sheets.